Warren Buffett, who is the current chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and considered to be one of the most successful investors, once said that, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." And somehow this quote suited the stock market condition, which was hit terribly by the coronavirus. Market experts always believe that unlike other tough times, the negative phase caused by the pandemic shall pass soon and come to an end. After witnessing a downfall since the inception of COVID-19, Nifty finally regained a decent position by reaching 11,000 points on 28th of July, Monday, after a time period of 4 months. Nifty faced some serious harsh days when the market crashed and it went below 8,000 points in March earlier. The market has been highly volatile since then and yet maintained a trend of rising when the economy is completely pushed down by the pandemic. And thus, it once again proved the fact that markets tend to recover before the economy starts recovering. Development of different vaccines by various candidates to find the solution of COVID, earnings by the corporates, investments made by the foreign investors observing the potentiality of the Indian market somehow contributed towards regaining this position. Now looking out for the positives, HDFC Bank gained around 4% during the second quarter of the year. Other organizations like ICICI Bank, Infosys, Bajaj Finance, etc. also witnessed a growth in the market. Investors expect a speedy recovery of Nifty in the coming days. The journey from 10,000 to 11,000 points was achieved within 30 to 35 sessions. Currently, the discovery of a vaccine is still awaited and experts believe that better days for Nifty are yet to come and the overall growth of the market is definitely on the cards. Maintaining 11,000 points, a quick addition of 500 points is expected moving ahead from here. If the video was interesting, informative and useful for you, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload videos in future. Please like the video and share it with your near and dear ones, and please comment in the comment box below with your suggestions and requests. Please follow our page Fun Tax Guru on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and on LinkedIn.